Okay, so here's the air box with the stock air filter removed. This is a paper element one, looks like that. Doesn't look too bad. I think it's gone like maybe, I don't know, it's been maybe 25,000 kilometers since I replaced it. So, the K&N instructions. Typical of all instructions, it's a bit confusing. There is a gasket that they give you that fits like that. It's not exactly clear how that goes on, but you sort of figure it out. It's an adhesive. Oops, here's the adhesive strip that was around that. And my thought was, you pull that off and you fit it on top of the airbox. It's more or less permanent. Provides a seal for the new air filter. So just make sure it's on there evenly, and the holes in this gasket align with the screw holes like that. So it's kind of fiddly fuck. You got to make sure, you got to stretch it a bit, make sure it goes on. It's not overlapping over the edge, and it aligns with the screw holes. And that's about it. And then you take your air filter and it fits on like this. That. Yeah. And there's 5 screws to put back in, and that's all there is to it. That gasket provides a good seal. It's a really nice touch. That's all there is to it. And that should be good for another, I don't know, I'll probably check it again. 20,000 kilometers, I don't know. I might go further with this type of air filter between servicing intervals, but be sure to refer to the manufacturer's recommendations. There you have it, how to replace your stock air filter with a K&N air filter on your 2004 Suzuki Hayabusa. Thanks for watching.